All right, thanks for checking in. And let the force be with you. Why do I say this? I call this the Obi-Wan Ryobi. Dude, this thing looks like a lightsaber, right? I don't have the toys that you turn on and but I'm guessing it's very similar from pictures I've looked at. And the way that the fit and finish is on this light, I'm very surprised. Okay? So, my job tonight is to tell you why I think you might be interested in this work light. I'm calling it a work light because that's the reason why I bought it. I have other lights, old lights, you name it, the EDC kind, but then you need a work light, that you can just thrash around. Something that you're not worried about getting dented on your $120 flashlight, right? You know what I'm talking about. You always need a work light. I broke mine the other day, doing an oil change. You pull your car in the garage, pop the hood, there goes your light. Can't see. Here you go. Underneath, get that oil pan set and get that screw out and let it drain. There you go. Articulates. But I'm very impressed by this light. And if you guys have been shopping for, work lights that are anywhere between 20, 50 on up, Amazon, you name it, I would highly recommend you getting this one. It's on sale right now. All right? $30 at your HD. Went there and bought two. We'll go over it a bit more. In fact, the next that you'll see is an outside shot on how well this works. Stay tuned. Okay, we're out on the patio. It's dark, but there's some ambient lighting. We got almost a full moon with some clouds. So let's check out this 625 lume light. Dang, she pretty bright. One press of the button, right? One more, turns it off. Turn it back on, bright. Let's hit it quick. There's the medium and there's the low. So let's do this. Let's go back to high. I mean, this thing is bright. My neighbors are probably like, hey man, what are you doing? You're lighting my place up. So, I mean, yeah, the 625 looms is definitely bright enough. I mean, for a work light too, I don't think you're gonna need that. Let's see what the medium is. Medium is decent. I mean, that's higher than some other flashlights on high power, right? All right, let's go to low, high, and then low. I mean, low is still really bright. So if you're looking for moonlight setting on this light when you're in the tent, you're not gonna get it. It's pretty damn bright, okay? So then from here, let's go shut it off. And you hold down for a little bit. Let's see if we get the laser light. Oh, there it is. The little laser light. Let's see if we can put it on the chimney. Yeah, I mean, not the brightest thing in the world, but if you got a use for a laser light, or if you got a little kitty, yeah, they'd probably like that. But I'm telling you what, the Obi-Wan Ryobi flashlight, she's pretty sweet. Stay tuned for the review. Okay, let's sum this thing up. It's nice size. That was one of the reasons why I purchased this work light. Is it's easy to stick into your tool backpack, pouches, whatever you have, versus big bulky ones, right? This one took a poop on me right away. Never buy that. But I'm telling you what, the fit and finish, the polymer plastic to the rubber, like I said, I can't get over how well it feels in your hand. I know it's a flashlight. The pocket clip comes in very handy. Too heavy to put on your hat, right? But what I like the most is that you do get the battery with it. There it is. Let's get it in there, right? You plug it in here, it flashes, and then when it's totally charged, this turns to green. I think Ryobi makes other batteries with the fuel gauge on there to let you know exactly how much is in the battery, but the battery came with it, right? And Ryobi is making so many other products that are going to take this small battery. So I'm up on the game. All right. The articulation, I mean, anywhere you want to go. You want to talk about magnetic? Yeah, sticks to your box or any metal. It's very nice. So, yeah, the OB1 Ryobi, I think is a great flashlight. An all-around flashlight, you know? I mean, you could use it for any purposes. To me, it's a work light. It's supposed to hold a charge for a long time. Here's the packaging. If you're interested, there's the model number. 625 looms. USB. You know, right there, runtime. It says up to 16 hours runtime, I'm guessing on low. So, I'm telling you what, this is a great little flashlight. And again, I mean, I haven't had big flashlights in a while. You remember the kind that were aluminum, you know, the big ones, and you can knock a guy over the head? Kind of reminds me of that because flashlights are getting smaller and smaller. But then you need just a regular work light, right? For 30 bucks, this thing gets damaged, you lose it, you're not going to cry. Plus, it comes with the battery that you're going to probably buy other products from Ryobi. And you're up ahead of the game with an extra battery. So, yeah, let the force be with you. The Ryobi Kenobi flashlight. Again, this is 625 looms. Have yourself a great day, and thanks for watching.